So actually I did not choose math in the beginning. So I was interested in sciences, real sciences like physics. And I knew that in order to learn physics, I had to learn math. And then I realized that my brain was not made for physics at all and that I understood the math better. And fortunately, I started to enjoy mathematics at that time, actually. So this is the reason why. Yes, definitely. Like the teachers I had in high school and then in the class préparatoire and yes, were definitely one of the reasons why I chose to study mathematics later. I don't remember that, actually. There were many, but I don't really remember that. But I must say that I had, when I was in high school, a teacher who was absolutely crazy with mathematics. He really liked them so much. He was really enthusiastic. And it definitely changed the way I saw math. I mean, this is the first time I realized that I could not only see mathematics as a tool, but that I could be enthusiastic for mathematics. And I would say that this is definitely my first shock in math. And then later I had, when during my studies, many times I had shocks when I saw beautiful theorems. Wow, this is very nice. But definitely the first shock was this meeting actually with my teacher. So I work on statistics. Actually, statistics is something quite wide, actually. So there are applied statisticians working in institute like INSEE or in companies. So I'm mostly on the theoretical side, actually. So it's mathematical statistics. So it's what mathematics have to say about statistics that can actually help practitioners to use better statistical methods. Okay, as I said, actually, statistics is something quite wide. And for example, when one thinks about INSEE in France, so National Bureau of Statistics, obviously people know that it's useful because it helps people to know what is happening in the country, what is the current state of the economics, who is poor, who is rich. So anyway, this information is useful. And even the word statistics actually come from the word state, which means like l'État, the state, the government. So actually it was designed for that. Now, I think a lot of statistics is used in other fields. Like, for example, currently it's very useful in artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is everywhere, which means that there are statistical algorithms in mobile phones, in computers, in self-driving cars, and all these things will change the society, I'm sure. On the other hand, it can be in good or in bad, so I think this is our responsibility as mathematicians and as scientists to make sure actually that we don't use artificial intelligence, well, as it is used now actually, which means 95% for advertisements and marketing, which is okay, it's fair enough, but we can use it for other applications that can be really useful for society. So this conference is about mathematical statistics. So actually, it focuses mostly on high-dimensional statistics. It's the kind of statistical algorithm that are used by people in AI, but still, there are no computer scientists here. Really, it's a theoretical approach, trying to understand these algorithms that are used every day by computer scientists in artificial intelligence. So, for example, the typical example currently is deep learning and neural networks. So neural networks are extremely popular. Well, they are older than that, but they are extremely popular in AI since, I would say, the 2000s, because they are more efficient than many other methods to learn, to help a computer to learn to do some tasks. But it was not understood from a theoretical point of view, and actually the first papers helping to understand from a mathematical point of view what are doing neural networks are quite recent, and there are some speakers actually in this conference talking about these recent results. So this is a very interesting point. Actually, we have this conference sometimes in December, actually. Since I was a PhD student, so that was 15 years ago, I came quite often in December at CIEM. So for me, it's like pre-Christmas. There are some good friends working in other countries, so I meet them only at CIEM, actually. So for me, it's like, I really enjoy coming here. Anyway, it's a nice place for mathematical conferences, and beautiful landscape, beautiful weather, usually. And yeah, so I really like this place.